Hey, second grade, so we're just about done with our learning for the day. Let's go ahead and look at some of the understandings we had from this week or today's lesson. We're working with relating ones, tens, and hundreds to each other, working on building those hundreds, right? Let's go over our place value table chart. We have our ones, our tens, our hundreds. We have X's, we have units. For ones, we have rods, and tens for tens. And we have flats and little squares for hundreds, right? Let's go ahead and go a little bit further into it too. We talked earlier about relating dollars to pennies to nickels. The same thing we're doing, converting those back and forth and kind of regrouping, right? So those key relationships right there. Our units to rods. We know that one rod is equal to how many units? 1, 2, 10 units, right? So 10 units equals one rod. Let's go over here. We want one flat. Well, flat we count by tens, right, to make that 100, 10, 20, 30. So how many rods make that one flat? Right, 10 rods, one flat. Be thinking about this anchor chart when you're doing some independent work and you're working in path lasers. Until next time, bye.